Welcome back to a vlog style video. But do you want to see one of the richest cities in all of Michigan? Well, welcome to Birmingham. Let's go. All right, so welcome back. So this is actually my first vlog style video. So my entire goal is, if you're somewhere in California or even in Michigan and you're thinking about moving to Birmingham, I just want to show you everything that it has to offer, from what the neighborhoods look like to the downtown with the shopping and the eating, and maybe just some other little cool things that, you know, maybe you don't know about Birmingham. So I just want to show you guys those things. I am a real estate agent in this area. I love being able to come to Birmingham. It's actually one of my favorite places to come and work and play. So again, if you guys have any questions about new construction or what's going on in the market, my information is in the description below. Let's go. So since this is a vlog style video and we get to walk around downtown Birmingham, I may even take you on a home tour of a house here, not too far away. But I want to take you to one of my favorite places that I come to in the morning, Jersey Bagel. So let me grab a bagel and then go to my coffee spot that a lot of locals and a lot of people love to go to if you're looking to come to Birmingham right after I get my bagel. All right, I wanted to show you guys this on the top of a parking deck. These are condos or some form of a loft in here. I'm going to show you a picture of them. They're going for over $2 million. And I may even show you some pictures of the inside of one of these, but this just shows you, this is Birmingham for you guys. Right? And I'm actually gonna go right down there to one of my favorite coffee spots, which is Birmingham Roast right there. But I wanted to give you a view from the top so you can see what Birmingham looks like. Leaving one of my favorite places, Birmingham Roast. And so right now I'll just take a quick walk downtown Birmingham so you guys can see what it has to offer. I mean, they pride themselves in being called the most walkable city, and that's because everything is right here in north. It's called Old Woodward, right? So you have all your shopping, your Lululemons, nice restaurants all up and down Old Woodward Street. So this is why it's walkable. I mean, there's literally neighborhoods like right behind it. You can just get a bike and ride here. So let's talk about Birmingham as I walk downtown and show you some of my favorite spots. Birmingham has 21,000 residents. It's not a whole lot, but there's so much to offer in this city. It also has the top rated schools, right? I mean, it's like one of the wealthiest cities. I think they said like the average adult has a bachelor's degree in this area. You know, very, very wealthy area. A lot of elegance here. Let me show you one of the big hotels here. There's two. This one right here. This one's called the Daxton Hotel. It's actually really nice. And they have another one called Townsend Hotel. It's, you know, everything's really close here, but the Townsend Hotel is very, very known for athletes, entertainers. You may see somebody, if you want to go to a theater, there's a theater right behind me. I think this one's called Birmingham 8 right here. Again, it's got a nice kind of like, you know, nostalgic, old school theater feel. So you can actually still watch movies there. We're gonna pass by some nice cool boutique stores. Maybe I may actually walk into this one right here. All right, this is called Sundance Shoes. I guess I'll just walk in it.
I mean, but you have. No, I didn't use two. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I can look at those. Wait, here's some sandals. Where did I put my shoe? Oh, right here, like this.
So So I just walked into, it's called Sundance Shoes. So it was like a cool boutique, nice items they had inside of it. I was actually thinking about grabbing a hat. It said Willard Avenue and it had a car on it. It's blue. As like we're passing, I mean, these are all boutiques and just a lot of places to shop. There's a Leo's Coney Island, like right across the street. There's a jewelry store right behind me, you know. There's also a Lucido's jewelry store down here. I actually met one of the Lucidos, the prosecutor, Pete Lucido, not too long ago. Birmingham, the houses range from $400,000 up to $2 million. There's a house that we're actually going to take a look at today. It's on a street called Buckingham, 2.2 million. So we'll take a look at that house. I would do an actual walkthrough of that house so you could go through it with me. But I'll show you guys a teaser once we get there, right? So Birmingham, again, 400 to $2 million homes. Right now we're passing by Lululemon. So if you are thinking about Birmingham, they have a lot of big stores. There's a Starbucks across the street. There's Lululemon. I try to stay out of this store because my wife likes this store. And I'm hoping this store is not around when my daughter starts getting ready to go shopping. But I'm sure there'll be another one. But here's Lululemon right here behind me. Hopefully you guys can see it. Starbucks right across the street. I'm going to show you one of my favorite places to go to downtown, and then I'll turn this around. This right here is Churchill's. So if you are into cigars and you like to smoke and get something nice to eat, Churchill's is nice. Very, very, I wouldn't say intimate, but like it has like this, it's smaller. It's a smaller type of vibe, but it's really, really nice. Passing right now, Hyde Park Steakhouse. This right here, my brother and his girlfriend just went here, Hyde Park Steakhouse. Of course, it's a steakhouse, so it doesn't open up right now, but he said the steaks were great. He said it was a great steak. So I'll take my brother's word on it. He eats pretty good. So check out Hyde Park Steakhouse. All right. If you are looking for a healthy spot, Sweet Green, I actually go here a lot. I go here for lunch all the time because I try to stay healthy at least. Try to not eat so bad. That's cool. And fun fact, when I do come to Birmingham, I have an office. It's not a personal office. I get to work in the main area right here in Regis. So I actually get to work up here when I come to Birmingham. And if you like, if you want a bakery, Paris Baguette, that's a really nice spot. I always try to buy something for my wife and kids when I leave here. So Paris Baguette. But this is another nice place if you like to eat. Social does have a rooftop seating. Me and my wife have been here. It's actually really nice. It was a real chill vibe. We did not get to eat up here though. But if you are looking for nice places to eat or nice date night spots, there's Social. Social is all right. So again, hopefully you guys are enjoying all of the content. I want to give you a more personal experience of the city so you actually see what it looks like. What does it feel like? What we're gonna do, actually, we're gonna go down this way. We're gonna get out of downtown Birmingham, and I want to show you what the neighborhoods look like, how they have townhouses and condos. Like right behind me, we have condos, right, that are downtown. Everything that they're building, it's all about development. Everything is here, right? I want to say compact, but everything is here. From your shopping, I want you to see how big the lots are in Birmingham. And so again, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, my information is in the description below. But I want to show you guys this. Whether you want to come here for a date night or you wanted to know more about the city and what it offers, this is the big staple for Birmingham. Their downtown, people love it. They love it. And you will see a lot of people. I see friends that are from Macomb County over in Birmingham often, right? So let's go take a look down this way. Let's get a little bit outside of downtown Birmingham to see what it offers. But this is where you want to come with family for a date night, or if you just want to get away for a little moment, come down here to downtown Birmingham. Let's go ahead and take a little ride out just outside downtown, which is still really downtown, so you guys can really see what the real estate looks like. These houses are beautiful. I mean, and I love how they have this real kind of neighborly feel. Again, you can kind of see how close some of these houses are, how big they are. But this is just a normal street in Birmingham, you know. And then again, you get like a big, massive house like this one right across the street from me. Just super crazy, man. And so this is why I just like driving through neighborhoods, just so you can see, you know, like if we drive through a neighborhood in Ferndale, right? A lot of those houses are going to be kind of colorful houses, frame houses, very vibrant. And here you're getting a lot of elegance, a lot of prestige, a lot of, oh my goodness. I'll pass by this house. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm hoping you guys are getting more of a good idea of Birmingham. Maybe you want to move here, right? Maybe you want to move by here. You know, this is what you'll get. And I'm just going to let you guys see this house right here behind me. Hopefully you can get the whole view of it. But look at this corner house. It's insane. And even the house I'm in front of, the building on this, the builders are amazing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed everything I had to show you of downtown, what the real estate looks like. Again, a lot of the homes here range from $400,000 up to over $2 million. But there's a lot of character in this city. There's a lot going on. And so again, maybe you want to live here, right? Maybe you want to build a new home. I would love to be able to help you. So I'd love to be able to help you with that. Again, you know, you just contact me below, or, you know, again, if you want to move to neighboring cities, there's Troy, there's Bloomfield Township, which we will do vlog styles of those cities as well. There's a lot to offer here in Oakland County. And this is one of the wealthiest cities in the state of Michigan. And that, as you can see, there's a lot of money here. If you want to know pros and cons, I'll do a pros and cons video of Birmingham. Of course, when you say the richest city and things like that, that means your taxes are going to be much higher. But if you're living here, I guess that's not really an issue. But yeah, it's just nice to see. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I wanted to show you guys as much as I could with downtown Birmingham and do a vlog style. So if you are thinking about moving here, I've even included a quick teaser of a $2.2 million house that we did a walkthrough of. Go view that video so you can see it in its entirety. There's a sauna in there, which is crazy. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and I'll tag that video next. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys like, you subscribe. And again, if you have any questions, real estate related, if you want to move in Oakland or Macomb County, I'd love to be your realtor or help one of your family and friends, all right? So I'll see you on the next video. And like I always say, be blessed,